Yo guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited coins on Pocket FM, bro, 2026 method. So let's open it up. And as you can see, we got 20,000 coins right now. Press this button and we can add unlimited coins. So I'm going to go ahead and press unlock and let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, it's doing all this stuff. So we just got to wait. So it says session established, all this stuff. So I'm going to wait for it to load. And you can see it says like committing entitlement and all this stuff. So there we go, propagating changes. Okay, so now the coins are added, so let's see if it goes up. And bang, 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 boom! Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the free Pocket FM coins in 2026, guys. So let's get into the video. This is so wild, bro. Dang! So you're probably like, how do you do it? Well, let me show you. Go to this website right here. It's matrixmods.com. So let me just type it in. So this is a website where you can get the Pocket FM mod. At least I think you can. Yeah, there it is. So go ahead and press on it and press download. So before this downloads, guys, there's going to be a verification, okay? So what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it says like almost there, additional files are required. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps, which are the missing files. They're all free to download. So you can see Travel Town says download and reach level 9. TikTok download and run for 30 seconds. So this game one is really easy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, I would just like play this until I'm level 9. You know, nothing too crazy. And then I should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get the free Pocket FM coins. My brother in arms, this actually works. So this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. And also another thing is if you go in the settings app and go to the background refresh, make sure this is enabled. And then make sure you got the low power mode turned off as well. So other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're going to be good to go. I live in the USA, so if you live in another country, the apps are going to be different. So I'm just warning you about that. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you want to get free coins on Pocket FM, you've got to try this out right now. It's fully working method, guys. So get the word out, bro. This is super crazy, you know. So as you can see, it says 99 coins activated. And we got VIP, skip ads, all this stuff. So that's so cool. So if you want to get the free coins, guys, you know what you got to do. So this is super crazy. And yeah, it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel.